Dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, a problem is solved on preparation of hire purchase accounts in the books of hire purchaser. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it and share among your friends and subscribe the channel. If you already subscribed, kindly ignore this message. The question is, Ms. Sangeeta purchased a vehicle from Tata Company Limited on 1/1/2013 on hire purchase system and the total payment was agreed upon at rupees 1,20,000. 1,20,000 be made as under. On 1/1/2013 on signing of the agreement rupees 19,200. On 31st/12/2013 on signing of the agreement rupees 32,400. On 31st/12/2014 on signing of the agreement rupees 42,000. On 31st/12/2015 on signing of the agreement 26,400. Interest was charged at 10% per annum by the vendors on the unpaid balances. The depreciation on the vehicle was written off at 20% per annum on diminishing balance method. Ascertain the cash price of the vehicle and prepare vehicle account and hire vendors account in the books of Miss Sangeeta. Now let's move to the whiteboard. So in this problem, Miss Sangeeta is a hire purchaser and Tata Company is a hire vendor. So the agreement is signed on 1/1/2013. In the problem, we have provided with the higher purchase price, that is rupees 1,20,000, and we have given 3 installments along with the down payment of rupees 19,200. The rate of interest is 10% and the rate of depreciation is given as 20% on the diminishing balance method. So as the cash price is not available here, so let's ascertain the cash price here. So let's write down here ascertainment of cash price of vehicle so let me write down here date column, so here installment. So we should go apply the backward method of calculation here to find out the cash price here. Then interest at the rate of interest is given the problem as 10%. 10% per annum. Then CP or the principal amount. Then the last column depreciation at the rate of 20% per annum. So let's begin with the last one here. So 31, the last installment is due on 31/12/2015. 31/12/2015. So it is given as 26,400. So 26,400. So 26,400 into 10 divided by 110. So that comes to interest as rupees 2,400. Very simple here. This 0 get cancelled here. 11 1s are 11 2s are 11 4s are. So this 2,400 should be deducted from 26,400. We are going to arrive at rupees 24,000. Then the second installment, it is due on 31/12/14 here. So the installment here, it is 42,000. So as we are applying the backward here, we should add this principal amount to this installment in order to find out the interest for the second year here. So 42,000 plus 24,000, that's equals to 66,000. So 66,000 into 10 divided by 110. So that comes to rupees 6,000 here. 6,000. So when you subtract 6,000 from 42,000, you will get 36,000 here. So 36,000 here. Then the next one, the first installment is due on 31st/12/2013. The amount of installment which is given the problem as 32,400. So 32,400. So now 32,400 plus this 36,000 plus 24,000, which equals to, so here it is 92,400. 92,400, just take it out. 4 here, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 12, carry 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9 here. So into 10 divided by 110. That comes to 11 8s 88. So 12 minus 8, 4 here. So 8,400. So when you subtract here, again you will get 24,000 here. Then the initial payment or the down payment is made on 1/1/2013. So amount which is given as 19,200. So 19,200 on which no interest is payable. So 19,200. So now let us do the totaling here. Very simple problem. So here it is 0 0 here. 4 plus 4 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 6 20, carry 2 here, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12. So 1,20,000 which is given in the problem as higher purchase price. 4 plus 4 8 here, 8 plus 6 14 plus 2 16 here. So 16,800. So 200 here, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 6 19 plus 4 23, carry 2, 2 and 3, 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10 here. So 1,03,200, that what we are going to get. Even if you subtract this 16,800 from this value, that is 1,20,000, you will get 1,03,200 only. So now let's calculate the depreciation here. So 1,03,200. So when you allow first year depreciation, the rate of depreciation is 20%. So 20% of 1,03,200. So it is nothing but 20% is nothing but 1/5. So 5 2s are here, 5 0, 5 6 30, 5 4, so 20,640 rupees is the depreciation. So when you subtract here, 0 here, 10 minus 4 6, carry 1, 12 minus 7 5, carry 1, 3 minus 1 2 here, 10 minus 2 8. So 82,560 is the outstanding balance of the asset at the end of the second year. So similarly, we should provide depreciation for the second year also. So 20% of 82,560 rupees. So again, 5 1s are 5. So 5 6 are 30. 5 5s are, and 5 1s are, 5 2s are. So when you subtract here, 10 minus 2 8, carry 1, 6 minus 2 4 here, 5 minus 5 0, 12 minus 6 6, carry 1. So 66,048. This is the outstanding balance of the asset at the end of the second year. So at the end of the third year, so again 20% of 66,048. So 5 1s are 5, 16, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 5 zeros 9.2 will get. So it will be 13,210 approximately. Then we make approximation to the nearest of the rupee here. So they find the difference here. 8 minus 0 8, 4 minus 1 3, 10 minus 2 8, carry 1, 6 minus 4 2, So 52,838 is the what we are going to write here. This is the outstanding balance of the asset at the end of the third year. So now we need to prepare. So here we are asked to prepare vendor hire vendors account and vehicle account. So let's go for preparing the vehicle account here. Yes, it takes a few seconds of time to rub this board here, and immediately we will switch off to preparation of vehicle account. And vehicle account and hire vendors account we should prepare in the books of hire purchaser here. So here we should go for preparing the vehicle account. So in the books of so in the problem it is given that Mrs. Sangeeta is the hire purchaser. So simple one, Sangeeta. So vehicle account. So we need to prepare vehicle account for only 3 years as it is given the problem here. So date, should go for preparing the date column, then particulars, so this is correct, okay. So particulars, and this is journal folio, then this is amount column, then this is date column, then this is particulars column, then this is JF column, amount column, right? So the agreement is signed on 1/1/13. So when the down payment is payable, vehicle account debit to Tata company, so to Tata Limited. So here the down payment made is as rupees 19,200. 19,200. The first installment is due on 31st/12/2013. So the installment here it is given as a 32,400, right? So the journey will be vehicle account debit, interest account debit to Tata Limited. So we should take only the principal amount. So in the higher purchase chart we have calculated as 24,000. So now let me take the sum of this here. 200, 9 plus 4, 13, carry 1, so 43,200. The depreciation is allowed on 31st/12/13. So at the end of the year, the first year's depreciation will be allowed. So then the journal entry is depreciation account debit to vehicle account. So vehicle account is credited by depreciation. So in the higher purchase chart, we have calculated depreciation for the first year as rupees 20,640. So 20,640 we have calculated depreciation. So now let's do the balancing here on the same day. So by balance carry down. So So let me write the amount here, 43,200. So let's find the difference here. 40 here, 6 plus 6, 12, carry 1. So 1 plus 2, 3. So 22,640. So this is brought down on 1114. So 2 balance brought down. So the same amount we should write here. So 22,640. Then the second installment is due for payment on 31st 12 2014. So the installment which is given as 42,000, right? So again the journal entry remains same. Vehicle account debit, interest account debit to Tata Limited. So to Tata Limited. So here in the second year, we should take only the principal part. So it is now we have calculated as the interest for second year as rupees 6,000. So here it is 36,000 here. So now let me take the sum of this year, 640 to 6 plus 2 8, 3 plus 2 5. So on 31st 12 2014, when the when the depreciation is allowed, the journal entry remains same. Depreciation account debit to vehicle account. So vehicle account is credited by depreciation, which we have calculated in the higher purchase charge as 16,312. Sorry, 512. So now let's do the balancing here. So by balance carry down. So let's write down here, it is 58,640. So let's find the difference here. 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. It is 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8. So 42,148. So it is brought down on 1115. So 2 balance brought down. So 42,128. So the last installment is due for payment on 31st 12 2015. Again the entry remains same. The last installment it is rupees 26,400. So vehicle account debit, interest account debit to Tata Limited. So to Tata Limited, 24,000. So let me take the sum of this here, 128 here, 4 plus 2 6, 66,128. So on 31st 12 2015, when the depreciation is allowed, then enter into depreciation account debit to vehicle account. So vehicle account is credited by depreciation. So by depreciation, so last year the depreciation is 13,210. So let's do the balancing here. So by balance carry down, 66,128. So 0 plus 8 here, 1 plus 1 here, 2 plus 9, 11, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 here. So 52,918. So on 1116, this balance is brought down. So 2 balance brought down, 52,918. So this is how we should go for preparing. Just we'll have a check up here. So we have already calculated. So all the installments also we have taken. So only the principal sum we will take here. That's all. No interest will come here. So here it is 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 4 plus 1 5. So here it is also remain same, 128, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 2 6, 66,000. So 52,918, that what we are going to arrive here. So the next one here we need to go for preparing the vendor's account. So let's go for preparing hire vendors account, so which is a personal account here. Preparation of hire vendors account is very easy here. Only thing we should concentrate on writing principal and the interest paid. So let me write down here. So Tata Company Limited. So the agreement is signed on 1/1/13. When the down payment is payable, then entry will be vehicle account debit to Tata Limited. So Tata Limited is credited by vehicle account. So it is the down payment here, it is 19,200. And this is paid immediately on the same day on 1/1/13. Then the entry will be Tata Limited account debit to bank account. Bank account 19,200. The first installment, it is due on 31st/12/2013. Then the entry will be vehicle account debit, interest account debit to Tata Limited. So Tata Limited is credited by vehicle. So the first here it is 24,000. On the same day, interest by interest account. So that is 8,400. So the first installment, it is given as 32,400. So on 31st/12/2013, when the first installment paid, so Tata Company account debit to bank account. So it is 32,400. So now let's balance this account for the first year. So 600 here, 9 plus 2, 11, carry 1. So 51,600 here also. Let me check here. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 9, 21, carry 2. So 51,600. Then similarly, we should go for the second year. So the second installment is due on 31st/12/2013. Then the journal entry is vehicle account debit, interest account debit to Tata Limited. So Tata Limited is credited by vehicle account to vehicle account. So it is 36,000. On the same day, interest. So by interest, so which we have already calculated in the hire purchase as rupees 6,000. Then when the second installment is paid on 31st/12/2014, then the entry will be Tata Company account debit to bank account. So 42,000, which is also given in the problem as a 42,000 only. So 42,000. So here also 42,000. Similarly, the last installment, it is due on 31st/12/2014. Then the entry will be vehicle account debit, interest account debit to Tata Limited. So Tata Limited is credited by vehicle account. So that is 24,000. Then interest by interest, it is credited with interest of rupees 2,400. So 2,400. So the sum of this will be 26,400. Then when the final payment is made on 31st/12/2015, then the entry will be Tata Company Limited account debit to bank account. So this is the final settlement made by the hire purchaser. So now the asset will be transferred in the name of hire purchaser only. 26,400. So this is how the vehicle account and the hire vendors accounts are prepared in the books of hire purchaser. Thank you.